Welcome. In just 5 minutes, discover how to feel calm and centered no matter what's happening in life. No special skills needed, just a willingness to pause and try. Sit comfortably, close your eyes if you feel safe, take a slow, deep breath in. As you exhale, imagine dropping all worries to the floor. Each breath in brings quietly, each breath out lets go of tension. Notice what you see, your eyes see, even if they are closed. Picture a calm place, maybe a sunny beach or a quiet room. Then listen for any sounds. Hear the peace behind the noise. Feel the seat beneath you, the air on your skin. Relax just a bit more. Pick one smoothing word or face. Calm, peace, or I am okay. Breathe in and say the word silently. Breathe out and let it fill you. Repeat this a few times, letting the peaceful feeling grow. Picture something that bothers you, a worry, a stress, or simply feel any tightness inside. With your next exhale, imagine sending it away on a cloud or a gentle wave. Remind yourself it's okay to release what's out of your control just for these few minutes. Slowly open your eyes, stretch, and stand if you like. Touch your heart lightly. Promise to return to this calm anytime just by repeating a few deep breaths and your peaceful world. Share this practice. Peace grows faster when shared. Thank you for joining this simple 5 minutes peace practice. You're always one breath away from calm. Use these steps anytime, at home, at work, or even in the stressful moment. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more